What's happening, guys? This is my video on how to make your Android faster. So here are the 10 ways to make your Android better and faster. First, get rooted. There are so many developers working for the betterment of the device. New apps and mods are provided by these developers for new features and better performance. Most of the mods needs to be installed from recovery. So in that case, it helps you a lot. Without root, you cannot access system files, you cannot use apps that requires root like set CPU, titanium backup and so on. So to know more on advantages of rooting, I have added a link in the description. Do check it. Number 2 is do a proper and minimal home screen setup. That is lesser number of widgets and use of live wallpapers. Because widgets as well as live wallpapers takes time to load as well as system resources, which makes your device kind of slow, especially devices with lower specs. Next, uninstall unnecessary apps that you don't use. If you are rooted, get a system app remover and uninstall apps that you don't use, and remove bloatwares that you get with your phone. Next, try third-party launchers if you feel that your stock launcher is slow. Because stock launcher like Sense, Xperia UI are loaded with graphics and animations. These graphics tends to make your device slow, especially a device with the lower specs. So light launchers like Nova, Apex can be the solution. Next, don't go behind task killers because they itself consumes memory. All task killers and memory management app does not work. Just use app that optimizes your Android. Go ahead, search for Optimizer as an Android optimizer app on the Play Store. Try a few of them and see what works for you. If you are rooted, you must have a custom recovery, so wipe cache time to time. Next, turn off all the animations that you get with your device by default. So this helps you, if you have a lower spec devices. Next, use custom ROMs. Manufacturers delay the official update even if we have the newer version of the Android. But developers work on it and provides you with newer version of software. They customize it, they remove unnecessary apps and add some new features, mods with better performance, let's say improved version of Android. So we get the newer version of Android that is improved and which helps us to get a better OS for our device. Next, install Greenify from the Play Store. This app helps you to hibernate all the background applications that you are not using without disturbing the system performance and features so that you don't get any lags due to apps running in the background. It even improves the battery life of your Android. Next, use third-party browsers, third-party keyboards if your stock browser and keyboards feels laggy. Lower battery even slows down your device. So use a proper battery saver and do a proper setting. And remember guys, power saving mode and battery saver are completely different. Last but not the least, overclock your device. Say for example, if you are rooted, get application like set CPU that helps you to overclock. Else you can get a kernel that allows you to overclock your device. Again, do not install applications that provides gimmick features. I can't take any names here, but some apps are good to show it off to your friends. But just be practical. Only install apps that you use and that comes handy to you. So that's all for this video guys. Thanks a lot for watching. If you have any suggestion, please leave it in the comment section. I will be coming up with more videos very soon, so stay subscribed. You guys have a great day. Bye bye now.